Yeah!
Kim and Kelly!
Hey Kelly, where should we go today?
We can go anywhere, but not to the park.
Where should we go then?
Hey Kim, look at the traffic.
Yes, such a heavy traffic.
Let's go and figure out what happened.
Okay, Kelly.
Oh God, look at this accident. Hey Kim, I think this is the cause of traffic congestion.
Oh my god, it seems a terrific accident, Kelly. Look at this mess.
Hello, Officer Gagnon.
Hello, kids. What are you doing here?
We saw this heavy traffic and wanted to know the cause of it.
Officer Gagnon, what exactly happened here?
The driver lost his control over the wheels. Hence, the truck flipped near the edge.
Oh, did anyone get harmed, officer?
Fortunately, everyone is safe. But the driver is still in the truck. We are waiting for Officer Splash. He will help us in the rescue operation. Also, we need to clear the traffic and clean this mess on the road.
See, Officer Splash.
Are you okay, Mr. Wagon?
Yes, officer. I'm completely fine.
What exactly happened, Mr. Wagon? How did you miss your control?
Actually, officer, I dozed off while driving. I did not realize that I lost my control on the wheels.
Oh, you should always take enough sleep before driving. Then only you can drive safely.
I am sorry, Officer Gagnon. Next time I will take enough sleep.
Okay. Take care, Mr. Wagon, and stay safe. And remember, if you snooze, you lose.
Definitely. I will never forget this.
Now we have to clean all this mess.
Can we please volunteer, Officer Splash?
Yes, we would love to volunteer.
Okay, Kim. Okay, Kelly. That would be great. Kim and Kelly, you did a phenomenal job.
Thank you, Officer Gagnon.
It was a good lesson for us too, Officer Gagnon.
Yes, I agree.
Now you must go home, kids. Bye and stay safe.
Bye-bye, Officer. Yara Quiz. Which vehicle had an accident? Bike, bicycle, lorry, car. The answer is lorry. Yay!
If you like our video and want to watch some more, click on like and subscribe.